When you're looking for a brand new built-in cooking appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. If you're buying a built-in gas hob, you'll only really need to check the width dimension, which can vary from 60 to 90 centimetres. The height is usually a standard size of 5 centimetres, but this can vary if you're changing from one fuel type to another, such as gas to an electric induction. You won't really need to worry too much about the depth, as it is a standard 50 centimetres. It's important to check the space above and below your hob as well. The area between the hob and hood is called the hot zone. For safety, it needs to be at least 75 centimetres of space and be clear of any flammable materials such as wallpaper and plug sockets. If you've got an oven underneath, you'll need to leave a gap of 15 to 25 millimetres of space for air to move through. If your new hob is going to sit above a cutlery drawer, you'll need a partition so that your knives and forks are well protected. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can get cooking.